muscle at anything you are not willing to destroy or you are not willing to shoot. Once you makasahit na ka, okay pa rin naman.